Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Zoho Books. Zoho Books is one of the best online accounting softwares for business. And the reason why it is so highly rated is because you can get started for free, and also its user face is quite easy to understand. Plus, you'll be surprised by the amount of features that you'll be able to get access to. So the first thing you'll need to do is create an account. And to create an account, you'll need to go onto zoho.com. Once on zoho.com, you're going to go over to the right hand column and you're going to see the option Books. You're going to tap on that. After tapping on Books, you'll be redirected to this page, and all we'll need to do now, you could tap on Start Your Free 14-day trial right there, or you can tap on Sign Up Now in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on Sign Up Now, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and all you have to do is simply fill in your company name. So for example, I will be typing in a company name right here. After typing in the company name, you will enter your email address. Once you have entered your email address, you are going to create a password. So to create a password is quite straightforward. All you'll need to do is type in a password that you will remember. So let's do that real quick. After you have done that, you can add your location. Then you'll simply tap on I agree, and you're going to tap on create account. Once you are finished signing up, you'll be redirected to this page, and all I want you to do now is pay attention to the left hand menu option. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to add the products that you sell or the service that you offer. So you're going to tap right where you see items, you're going to tap on the plus. Then from there, you'll be able to add the goods, or as I said, you can add the service that your company offers. So let's say, for example, I create a new service. So I'll quickly enter a new service right here. All you'll have to do is enter the service name. Then from there, you can add a unit if you want, depending on the type of item. So for example, if it is something that is sold in a box, or if it is sold per size, you can do that. Then below it, you're going to enter the selling price right here. And you can also enter the cost price. So let me enter the cost price real quick. Then after doing that, you can add the account. As you can see, the sales account. Then you can also add description right here, and you can add the tax. After you're finished, you're going to tap on save. Once you have added your first item, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option again, and you're going to tap on banking. Once you have tapped on banking, you'll be able to set up your payment options. So you're going to tap on Connect Bank/credit card, and from there you'll be able to set up your credit. And from there, you'll be able to add your bank account information right there. Once you have done that, you can tap on sales. Then you can hover over customers, and you could tap on plus to create your first customer. And you can see you can create them based on business, or you can add individual customers. So all you'll need to do is simply add the company name and the company information right here by adding the email address and phone number. Then you'll tap on save. And also, to create a quotation using Zoho Books, all you have to do is hover over quotes. Then you'll tap on the plus. Once you have tapped on the plus, you'll be redirected to a new page, and the first thing you'll do is add the customer name. Once you have added the customer name, you can enter a reference number if you want. Then you'll select the quote date, and you can also add the salesperson. Once you have added the salesperson, you would add the project name. Then you would add the subject, and by scrolling down, you'll be able to add the item or items that that particular person would like on their quotation. And after you're finished, you can save it as a draft, or you can save and send it to that customer. And you can also use Zoho Books to create invoices. All you have to do is hover over invoices, then tap on the plus again. And from here, you'll be able to create your first invoice, as you can see right here. All you'll need to do is add the customer name and the item that they're purchasing and the salesperson. You can also create sales receipt. You can also set up payments, and if you want, you can set up recurring invoices. And if you offer credit notes, you can also create credit notes from the left-hand menu option. And with Zoho Books, you can also use their time tracking feature. So you can create different projects, or you can create a timesheet by simply tapping on the plus right here. Then from there, you'll simply enter your log entry, and then you'll be able to create a timesheet. You can also use it to track purchases, so you can create vendors, expenses, and also your recurring expenses. And you can also use it to set up your recurring bills, so you'll be able to track all of your purchases and recurring bills. So Books is their accounting feature on which you'll be able to create manual journals. By simply tapping on account, you could select manual journals, then tap on the plus to create your first journal. And from there, all you'll need to do is add the date, then you could add the reference number, and you can add your journal information, as you can see right here. You can also use it to do bulk updates, and you can also do currency adjustments and chart of accounts. And by scrolling down, you'll be able to view your reports and so on. And that's basically it when it comes on to Zoho Books. And you can scroll back up. Let me go back to the main page right here, the home page. And on the home page, you can see how your dashboard looks. And that's it. And if you want to access more features, all you have to do is go over to the top right hand corner and tap on the icon right beside your profile pic. Then from there, you can access other Zoho features, for example Zoho Expense, Zoho Subscriptions, and Zoho Inventory, and also Zoho Checkout. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.